So I'm just going to start off by saying that I definitely know that I butchered this beat. It's just kind of frustrating because I have so many songs that I've written that I would love to pitch, and I would love to even record some of them myself and put them out, distribute them under my name. But it's just frustrating because I have to do everything by myself. I know that you guys can relate. A lot of you guys can relate. And it's just, I butchered this beat. But this is the first song that I distributed on my own. And so I'm proud of myself. I wasn't ready to let it go at all. But in order for me to move on to the next song, I had to just get it out there, just let it go, or I'd still be working on it. So I want you guys to check it out. I feel like whenever I did the drums, it wasn't so bad. I don't know. Whenever I went from there, I just kind of overdid it. So here's the drums.
I guess I could open this up so that you guys can see what's going on. It's just this urban heat kick. I mean, you guys can read, so you see what's going on. I'm on the wrong pattern, but that's okay. So we're heading to pattern 12. Let me see. See what I'm saying, you guys? I'm so rusty. But I feel like the drums don't sound bad. It's just so simple. And you guys may think, well, add some effects. Okay.
Okay, so that's my drum pattern. And whenever I started adding instruments, I wrote the song whenever I was delivering. So I was delivering, I got my phone, voice recorder, I wrote the song from start to finish on my voice recorder. So I just kept singing the song, and that's how I started dropping in these melodies.
So then I have this little melody right here, which I thought was really cute. Yeah, sounds good, right? I like that little melody. And that was on the verse. What is it? Pattern 15. I think it's Omnisphere. Let me see. Let's go to pattern 15. Oh yeah, it is. And then Taco Bell, which is citrus. So, and I didn't like do anything to it because I don't really know how to use citrus. I just watched a tutorial from in the mix, and I learned a few things about citrus, but I always just load up the preset and then just use whatever they have. I'm not really good at sound designing. So I've got that, and then for the hook, pattern 17 and 21 and 22. 17 is, let me see, 17, okay, so it's the same, and 22 is the middle one, and then E grand, like really from citrus.
But then for some odd reason, I felt the need to add a ton of effects to all of the melodies. Why? I don't know. I guess I felt like that's what I was supposed to do. But I was so wrong because then it started to sound like squashed, or like, I don't know. It just sounds bad. So I did end up exporting each individual track into a new session and added more effects.
But even though I compressed my 808, it still goes, I don't know why it's going so low. I don't get it. So I was just like, okay, I'm not going to put this beat up by itself because it sounds like trash. But with the whole vocals and everything together, it doesn't sound nearly as bad. Still not what I wanted, but it's okay.
And when I play the beat by itself, I was going to upload the beat by itself, but you guys, I was just too ashamed. I was like, no, I'm not going to do myself like that. So you guys can listen to the full song. It's Walk Away on my page or Spotify, Pandora. Y'all know how it works. I distributed it through TuneCore. But yeah, just go check it out and tell me what you think. Offer some advice, and I am all ears because I need help. I am here to listen. So please, thank you guys for watching, and come back and let me know your feedback. Okay, thanks. Or let me know on Walk Away because I'll get the comment either way. All right, thanks.